Hello user, today we will discuss the traveling microscope. A traveling microscope is an instrument for measuring the length with a resolution typically in the order of millimeter. These are the outline of my talk. First we will discuss the least count of the traveling microscope. The least count of an instrument is the smallest measurement that can be taken accurately with it. And second one, how you will read the reading through the traveling microscope. Here I am showing the instrument of the traveling microscope. You can see here there are two type of scale. One is along the vertical scale, one is along the horizontal scale. You can see is better in a zoom part. Here this one is the two type of the scale. This one is the main scale and smallest scale is known as a vernier scale. Now we will calculate the least count of the traveling microscope by a two method. In a method number one, we are taking the two selected values here 9 and 10, and the number of division between the two selected values is a 20. Now the least count of the main scale is 1 centimeter divided by 20 is 0.05 centimeter is the least count of the main scale. You know that the number of division from here to here is 15 on a vernier scale. So now the least count of the traveling microscope is equal to the ratio of least count of the main scale divided by total number of division on a vernier scale. Now finally you can calculate the least count of the traveling microscope is 0.01 mm. In the second method, you know the least count of the main scale is 0.05 centimeter, and you can see here the number 50th division on a vernier scale. Here this is 50 division. Multiplied by least count of the vernier scale is equal to the 49 division of the main scale multiplied by least count of the main scale. Now the least count of the vernier scale is 0.049 centimeter, and the least count of the traveling microscope is the difference between the least count of main scale and vernier scale. You can calculate the least count is 0.01 mm. Here I am showing another picture of a traveling microscope for reading purpose. You can see that the first you will take the reading on a main scale. The main scale reading is values plus number of division on a main scale up to zero value of the vernier scale multiplied least count of the main scale. You can see here this is the vernier zero of the vernier scale up reading up to this zero of the vernier scale. Here you can see the value is 6. Here I am showing 6 and there are no division cross these values. 0 multiplied by 0.05 is equal to 6 centimeter is the reading of the main scale. Now here the vernier scale is coincided of the vernier scale division with a main scale. Here this division is coincided with a main scale. You will count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 division coincided with a main scale is 14 and multiply by least count of every microscope. In multiply 0.001 centimeter you will get 0.014 centimeter, and the total reading is main scale reading plus vernier scale reading. You will get the final answer is 0.014 centimeter. Thank you.